What up guys, Life.ATV here. And I'm actually bringing you guys kind of a different vid today. So it's not ATV related, nothing to do with motorsports or anything like that. So just warning you, you might want to click off now and I'll see you for the next vid. So today I'm going to be asking my girlfriend to marry me. And I know it's crazy, I'm young. Yeah, I'm 20 years old, but kind of had a feeling that I wanted to marry this girl. Like, I don't know, we've known each other our entire life, so that's the way I think about it. Age doesn't matter right here, and yeah, so I'm pretty nervous. Little backstory: she's been gone for 10 days. She went to Florida with her family, so that's how I kind of cooped up the surprise. And then I've been planning to do this for like a long time. But things kind of got complicated because a couple weeks ago we found out she's pregnant. Yeah, so that's even more crazy, but you know, I still wanted to do this. Like I said, her being pregnant didn't affect this decision at all. To me, she's the most beautiful girl in the world. She's smart, and just can't wait. You know, I kind of just want to make it official. I know, just before you guys say, well, what, she might say no. Trust me, that's not the case. She's been on this. Trust me, guys. If you're worried about her saying no, like, I'm not at all, because she's been bugging me for this for a long time. Put a ring on it. In this entire, like, I would say like 6 months, I've been lying straight to her face saying, maybe a couple years, you know, we have a kid on the way now. That's my excuse now. And I know, I just can't wait. Hopefully we get some good shots of it. I got a GoPro kind of stuck right there. And then I'll kind of walk you guys through the surprise. Like I said, we're having a baby. And she has wanted this stroller ever since she found out she's pregnant. And I didn't know the stroller game was like mad expensive. This thing costs like $300, $400. I can't remember. I think it was in the middle at like $350. I mean, it's nice, don't get me wrong, but wow. So she's gonna walk in through this door right here. She's gonna come in. She's gonna see it. She's gonna be happy. She's gonna come over here. She's gonna look in there. And bam, guys. There's the ring right there. So hopefully all goes to plan. I'm not really sure, but you know, either way I'm gonna follow through with it. So right now I'm probably just gonna pick up the house a little bit. So when she gets home, it's nice. Like I said, she's like probably like 10 weeks pregnant, so I want everything to be perfect. Alright guys, check back in with you.
That's still good. I don't know if anybody would want to fire it now. The guy told me to keep all the tools that I found. You got it. 3-inch scratches. Nothing that good of a brand, but hey, all this crap can just be tossed with all my other Taiwan stuff.
Oh my god! Mom!
Very nice.
Oh my god. Why is it pink? Why is it a pink phone?
Well, that ain't the only surprise, guys. Whoa!
What did you tell me?
Playing with me.
It's difficult to get out while filming. I want to show you guys what I'm doing.
Why did you tell me it was so pink phone?
Okay, that's not all the time.
You wanna check it out?
But in this situation, we have this people. So all I have to do is come around where I'm going to well.
Oh my god! Mom!
Alright.
Oh my god.
Well, that ain't the only surprise.
Oh! What is this?
So what's your reaction to the proposal?
Look at that beautiful thing.
What's your reaction?
You could have let me put makeup on.
I know, but I can't just.
I have underwear.
It had to be spontaneous. Are you happy?
Spontaneous. Yeah.
She said yes, guys, so